Did you know that eating honey with certain foods can increase the risk of cancer and dementia? Even though honey is a natural treasure from bees, it must be consumed correctly to provide health benefits. Pairing it with the wrong foods can actually be detrimental to your health. That's why I've put together this guide to help prevent cancer and dementia. I'll share the 3 worst foods to pair with honey and the 3 best ones. Hello everyone! If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones and spread the word. I will continue to bring you top-notch health information. Did you know there's one food on Earth that never spoils? It's regarded as one of humanity's first natural foods, so valuable that the ancient Romans called it the dew of the gods, fallen from the sky. Today's highlight is the sweet and nutritious honey. Bees create honey by transforming nectar from flowers with their enzymes, resulting in a substance rich in not just sugar, but also amino acids, vitamins, minerals like iron and zinc, and antioxidants. Besides being a natural sweetener, honey is packed with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and is renowned for its immune-boosting benefits. Did you know there are over 320 types of honey globally? The variety of honey depends on the flowers visited by the bees, such as acacia, canola, chestnut, and manuka honey, as well as wildflower and mixed flower honey. There's also sugar-fed honey, known as artificial honey. To produce just 1 pound of honey, bees must visit 5.6 million flowers, making us truly grateful to them for this healthful gift. But did you know that even this beneficial honey can harm your health when combined with certain foods? Let's explore the 3 worst food pairings for cancer and dementia prevention, and the 3 best pairings that can help promote a healthy, extended lifespan. First on the list of worst pairings with honey are soy-based foods like tofu and soy milk. Given the well-known dangers of sugar, many assume that all sweet foods are unhealthy, but natural honey as a natural sugar is entirely different from refined sugar. Sugar molecules are large and must be broken down into smaller glucose or fructose molecules during digestion before being absorbed by the body. This process consumes insulin, calcium, vitamins in our body, and raises blood sugar levels. However, honey, a gift from bees, is entirely different. Honey is already broken down and processed by bees, consisting of simple sugars. So when you eat honey, it's absorbed directly into your body without the need for digestion, quickly becoming a source of energy. That's why you feel an instant boost of energy and recovery after consuming honey. With its health benefits becoming well known, there are now many popular recipes using natural honey. Especially many people like adding sweet honey to soy milk and tofu for health reasons. But wait, you shouldn't do that. Soy products like soy milk have a significantly higher protein content than milk. Honey, besides sugar, contains organic acids. The organic acids in honey and the protein in soy milk can react and form a precipitate. Simply put, they become a lump or mass. This precipitate is not absorbed but instead expelled from the body, making the protein-rich soy milk and honey combination ineffective. Moreover, soy is considered a cooling food, which helps remove heat from the body, clashing with honey's warming nature, which gathers heat inside. When these opposing energies collide in the stomach, it can cause digestive problems, so it's best not to pair honey with soy products like tofu and soy milk. Instead, the best match for honey is milk. Pairing honey with milk is beneficial because milk has a lower protein content than soy milk, which means less interaction with the organic acids in honey. Plus, the health benefits are incredible. Many people suffer from insomnia these days, and good sleep is really important for our health. This issue can be neatly resolved by having warm milk with honey in the evening. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan. This amino acid changes into a chemical called serotonin in our body. You might know serotonin as the happiness hormone. Surprisingly, it not only alleviates depression, but also suppresses the arousal hormone, which is a cause of insomnia, thereby helping you sleep deeply. However, drinking milk alone doesn't allow this amino acid to be fully absorbed in the body. That's where honey comes into play. Not only does honey contain tryptophan, but it also facilitates the full absorption of this amino acid into our body, enabling it to activate promptly. Therefore, compared to drinking milk alone, adding honey not only enhances feelings of happiness and stability, but also quickly improves sleep. The second worst pairing with honey involves foods and drinks rich in tannins, such as black tea, green tea, and unripe persimmons. Have you ever noticed a bitter taste after brewing black or green tea for too long, or after eating an unripe persimmon? That's due to tannins. Tannins belong to the polyphenol family, a group of miraculous antioxidants that help eliminate free radicals in our body, prevent cellular aging, and cleanse waste from our blood vessels. While black tea, green tea, and persimmons are beneficial due to their high tannin content, they should not be consumed with honey, especially considering the minerals in honey, including iron. When iron meets tannins, it forms an indigestible compound that prevents absorption in the body. So while you might be consuming honey for its health benefits, combining it with tannin-rich foods can nullify their nutritional advantages and make digestion more difficult. To fully benefit from each of their nutritional properties, you need to consume them separately. Have you ever made honey tea with boiling hot water? That's not the right approach. Honey is full of vitamins, amino acids, and beneficial enzymes. However, these components are sensitive to heat. If you use water that's too hot, it can destroy all those nutrients. To preserve the health benefits of honey, make your honey tea with warm water, ideally between 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling hot. This way, you can enjoy all the health benefits honey has to offer. A second food item that pairs excellently with honey is cinnamon. Replacing black or green tea with cinnamon honey tea can transform it into a supreme health elixir. Did you know that honey is beneficial for the immune system? Honey contains a significant amount of vitamins and minerals that boost immunity and protect our body from colds and viruses. Moreover, honey is rich in a natural antibiotic substance called propolis. Have you ever wondered why bees living in close quarters by the thousands in a beehive don't get infected with viruses like other insects or animals? The reason is that bees coat the entrance of the hive with a thick layer of a substance that prevents pathogens from penetrating. This substance is propolis. In our bodies, propolis acts as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer agent. It prevents cancer cells from replicating and dividing by inhibiting their growth and even induces them to self-destruct. Additionally, it lowers cholesterol levels in the blood and strengthens the heart and blood vessels, thereby preventing cardiovascular diseases like arteriosclerosis and hypertension. Here's the kicker. When honey is combined with cinnamon, a miracle happens. Cinnamon, like honey, has numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and the ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Together, honey and cinnamon create a powerful duo that boosts the immune system, improves heart health, and helps manage diabetes. This combination not only enhances the taste of your tea, but also significantly amplifies the health benefits, making it a perfect choice for a daily wellness routine. The antioxidants in cinnamon significantly boost the anti-inflammatory effects of honey, reducing inflammation levels in the blood vessels. Additionally, the warming properties of both honey and cinnamon enhance blood circulation. This powerful combination effectively addresses issues like cold hands and feet numbness during chilly weather and can even alleviate joint pain or muscle aches. Impressively, when honey and cinnamon are consumed together, cinnamon helps to lower blood sugar levels, making it easier to enjoy the sweetness of honey without the negative impact on health. Remember, cinnamon honey tea is key to harnessing these benefits. The third and final food that pairs poorly with honey is the onion. At one point, onion honey pickles gained immense popularity due to their perceived health benefits. Onions, known for their ability to cleanse blood vessels, seem like a great match for honey, offering a way to extend their shelf life while harnessing honey's health benefits. However, surprisingly, consuming onions and honey together is strongly discouraged. Onions contain a volatile compound called allyl sulfide, which can cause gas formation in the body when ingested. When combined with honey, this can lead to severe abdominal bloating and chronic indigestion. Additionally, it may even adversely affect your eyesight, so caution is advised. The vitamins and phytochemicals in onions inhibit the activity of the health-promoting enzymes in honey. Therefore, it is recommended to consume honey and onions separately to avoid these negative interactions and ensure you benefit from each food's unique health properties. Instead of onions, the third and best food to pair with honey is radish. Many people suffer from colds, and it's quite challenging to deal with coughs and phlegm. Coughing is harmful to your lungs and can irritate your throat, while excessive phlegm can promote viral growth, making it crucial to find an effective remedy. A great solution for coughs, phlegm, and boosting your immune system is honey and radish. Did you know that radishes in autumn and winter are particularly beneficial? In colder seasons, radishes taste sweeter and contain more nutrients. Consuming these nutritious radishes with honey strengthens your lungs and throat, making it easier to breathe and providing a fantastic way to manage coughs, reduce phlegm, and bolster your immune system. The reason radishes have a spicy taste is due to a compound called sinigrin. This compound helps strengthen your throat and loosen phlegm. Radishes are also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Combining radishes with honey creates a powerful combination that supports overall health and wellness. The dextromethorphan in honey helps suppress coughs and reduces throat inflammation. Additionally, honey smooths out the spicy taste of radishes and enhances the effectiveness of their vitamins, making the combination both delicious and highly nutritious. You can mix radish and honey together and let it sit to create a type of tea or juice. Adding a spoonful of honey to dried radish tea is also a fantastic idea. Here's a quick tip. When making juice with radish and honey, use the entire radish, including the peel, as the peel is rich in vitamin C and B. Chop up the radish with the peel intact, pour a generous amount of honey over it, and let it sit for a week. This mixture is a powerful way to boost your immune system and effectively combat coughs and phlegm. So far, we've explored 3 foods that pair poorly with honey, as well as 3 that are excellent matches. Let's summarize one last time. Firstly, avoid consuming honey with soy-based foods like tofu and soy milk. Instead, pair it with milk. Secondly, don't mix honey with tannin-rich foods like persimmons or black tea. Instead, enjoy honey with cinnamon to fully reap its health benefits. Lastly, instead of pairing honey with onions, it's better to consume it with radishes. How does that sound? I hope you can take good care of your health by wisely choosing the best food combinations with honey. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your precious family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.